Welcome Personal Finance. In this video, I'm going to cover the steps that it takes to reconcile the month of January. You'll need your checkbook register and also a calculator to complete this small project. First step, we're going to check off the entries in the register that match your statement. So the first thing that we're going to do is identify those checks that have cleared. These cleared along with the amounts. The bank is showing that they have cashed them and they have hit your account. So we're going to go through our checkbook register and slowly mark these off. You can see our initial deposit has been checked off. Check 101, 103, 104, 105, and also 107. The next step, we're going to list the checks and other payments that are outstanding. We can see that check 102, 106, and also 108 are outstanding. So we're going to transfer those checks and write them down one by one, starting with check number 102. The amount, you can see we put the dollars on the left, $24, and the cents on the right. This also includes check 106 that has not cleared for $33.93. And check number 108. This is your rent check for $450. The next step will be to add these three together and transfer down below. We will need that total at the end of this task. So you can see I'm entering them into my calculator one by one. After you finish, we have a total of $507.93, which we're going to transfer down at the very bottom. Again, the dollars on the left, the cents on the right. We are now ready for step number 3. We're going to subtract the bank charges from your checkbook. Every single month, the bank is going to charge us a $5 service fee. Very easy to do. We'll add it in our checkbook register at the very end, January 31st. This is a service charge of $5. It's a debit, and you can see that's going to subtract to give you an ending balance of $345.24. Last step, we're going to reconcile our statement, and we're going to take a look at the ending balance, and this is what the bank has communicated to us. And so the ending balance from the bank's perspective is $160.80. We then have to look through to see if there are any deposits that you've made that have not shown on the bank side. And you can see there is one for $692.37. And we did not have a check mark, so we do have to add that here. So carefully, we're going to write $692.37. And this is it for the two items that we have to total. And so we're going to enter those into the calculator of 160.80. Add 692.37, and we get a total of 853.17 for a subtotal. The subtotal is important because it puts us in a position to subtract payments that are outstanding that have not been cashed. We have a total there of $507.93, so we're going to take these two numbers, subtract them, find the difference. And finally, the difference, we're just going to subtract $507.93, and we get a balance of $345.24, which is exactly what we were looking for. If we had a mistake, if they did not match up correctly, we're going to have to go back through to try to figure out which checks have not cleared, or maybe the bank said they cleared and we didn't have that in our checkbook. So we always have to check for these discrepancies. You can see we are good to go. This month turned out to be very good.